If I say the word IRMA, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? If you're thinking the famous hurricane that hit the United States in 2017, then that is not what I'm talking about. Hi, I'm Jessica Mannion at My Healthcare Direct, and today I'm going to be going over what IRMA is and how it may apply to you. IRMA is an acronym that stands for Income Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. This means that those of you who are higher income earners may experience a higher Part B premium and a Part D premium than those who are average earners that only have the standard Part B premium of $144.60, at least in 2020. While most individuals don't experience a higher Part B premium and a Part D premium while they're on Medicare, it does happen to those who make over a certain amount, and it can change from year to year. So how do you know if you're going to be paying IRMA? Well, Social Security uses the most recent tax return provided by the IRS to determine whether you are eligible to pay, and if so, how much. For example, in 2020, the IRMA determination is based upon your 2018 tax return. If an individual filed $87,000 in income, or an individual who was married and filed jointly has a joint income of $174,000 in 2018, you will experience a higher Part B premium than others. This table shows different brackets of income levels, and depending upon which income level you fall in, it will show what your Part B premium will be for the year 2020. These numbers do change every year. For Part D, the IRMA calculation works similar to that of Part B, and that Part D premium is just added on top of whatever Part D premium you have for the drug plan that you choose. Can you appeal IRMA? If you feel like you shouldn't be subjected to IRMA, you can try and appeal the decision. Some circumstances include things as marriage, death, divorced, stopped working, or reduced working hours. How can you appeal IRMA? Well, the best way to appeal is to contact Social Security. You may be asked to provide documentation on the appropriate situation that applies to you. There are no guarantees that the IRMA determination will be reversed, but it can't hurt to try, especially if one of those situations applies to you. The easiest way to get in touch with Social Security is by contacting them at 1-800-772-1213. If you have any more questions about IRMA and how it can apply to you, feel free to contact our office at 888-959-1028.